Alright, so in this video tutorial here, we're going to look at the dual audio mode feature for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra phone. Okay, so we're only focusing on the Samsung Note 20 Ultra phone here. And we're going to pair up two Bluetooth devices here. But before we do anything else, here is a setting that I want you to have set up already, so when the time comes, you'll be easily able to access it. Okay, so you'll use the quick panel access here, and you would want to go into the three dots right up here to the top right, and tap on that and go to where it says quick panel layout. So go to that and be sure that where it says show devices and media buttons and show devices and media buttons above notifications, go ahead and turn the two of them on right now. Do that and you will have access to these two here, which we are going to need the media option for the final step. Okay, now next up you are going to choose the two Bluetooth devices, and the way how the dual audio mode works is you can play maybe a song, a video, and the audio could come out from a Bluetooth speaker and a Bluetooth earphones at the same time, or whatever Bluetooth device you have that can play audio. All right, so go into your Bluetooth settings here, long press it, and then of course go ahead and connect your two devices. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and connect them right now, and I'll just pause the video here. You go ahead and do that. Connect your two devices here. All right, so once you've set up your own two Bluetooth devices to connect with your Note 20 Ultra, you should see something that looks like this. So for me, I have my Galaxy Buds Live. I have them connected for calls and media audio. And then I got my JBL Bluetooth speaker that says connected for calls and media audio. You'll notice how the text is in blue for both of them. Now, if it's your very first time doing this, you might have come across a little message that popped up here and telling you to go to media and whatnot, okay? But if you don't see it, this is where this comes in handy, the media option, because that's exactly where it's going to take you. So go ahead into media, and then you can see that few prompts may pop up, being that it's your first time. If not, then just tap away here and you will see audio output right there. I have my Galaxy Buds Live here, and I have my JBL Go 2. So right now, if I press play, audio is only going to come out from the JBL Bluetooth speaker here. But when I tap right there, you'll notice how everything changes around, and there is access to two volume controls, and it has the two Bluetooth icons here. So what this does, it means that the Bluetooth audio, the dual audio will now play through the two Bluetooth devices, Bluetooth audio devices for the both of them. Okay, so nothing's going to come out from a speaker here. It's only going to come out from the Bluetooth speaker and the Bluetooth device that you have set up here. So if and maybe I wanted to play a song from my player here, for my music player here, so I'll go into that here and I'll just play one of the no copyright songs here. And when I do that, you'll hear it coming out from here. I'm gonna just bring this down a little bit, and I'm gonna take this out here. I'll take out my earbuds here, and I don't know if you kind of caught that, but when I bring it up, you'll see how there's two volumes here. So when I bring it down again, you'll see how there are two here. Okay, so I am going to put the Buds Live earbuds here close to the mic of this device so you can hear it for yourself. And I'm gonna bring this up here, and then it's gonna. Okay, so this is gonna come out from the, let me zoom in so you can see that better. All right, so this is the Galaxy Buds Live I'm controlling right now. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this up loud. All right, and then this is for the JBL speaker. So I'm gonna bring this up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to pause this quickly here. Now, another way that you can actually control these two devices is going back into the media option here. Once again, going back into the media. So you go that, and of course you'll be taken back here, giving you access to the volume controls for the both devices here. So I'm gonna press play once again, and I'll bring up the JBL Go 2. All right, so that's the only thing. And then this is the Buds Live. So JBL Go is completely mute, and then you can hear it coming up from the Buds Live. Okay. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Do hit that like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.